Hi, welcome to the iServiceDesk Work Request for Facilities Services tutorial. In this brief tutorial, I will show you how to submit a work request to Facilities Services. First, I'll start with Google and type in www.calstatela.edu. Next, let's type in Facilities into the search bar. Then we can click Facilities Services. Welcome to the Facilities Services homepage. Notice on the left, we can create work requests. Scrolling down, we'll see three options. The first is how to create a work request. The next two are only to check the status of the request by the request number or the work order number. I'll go ahead and show you the process of creating a work request. First, we must let them know what building you are requesting work to be done. I work in the Charter College of Education, so I've selected King Hall. But you will select the area that needs work. Once Facilities knows what building needs maintenance, now we'll let them know who is requesting the work. What room do they need to go to? Now please be aware that chargeable work requests require a requester to adhere to their internal department protocol. By indicating yes and entering your account number, all work will be charged accordingly. No further authorizations will be required. For the purpose of this video, I'll make it a non-chargeable request, so no account number is needed. Lastly, we'll tell them what department we are from and the actual work request. Notice that if you only want an estimate, you have to check Estimates Only to know the cost. Now, what are chargeable requests? Picture them like your landlord. Repainting or carpet and floor cleaning, moving offices around or repairing carts, desks, etc. Adding walls, outlets, lights, etc. Removing Freon, fridge, sinks, etc. Now, what are non-chargeable requests? Picture them like routine repairs, like mopping up spills, fixing existing doors, lights, etc. Removing bugs, fixing an incomplete job. Now that we know the difference, when do we call Facilities? For emergencies, toilets overflowing, a pipe burst, anything leaking, wasp or bug nests, animals or insects dead or alive, trees blocking the walkway or the streets, blood or broken glass, etc. Once we've finished, click Submit, and you will receive a confirmation email to the email you provided. Thanks for watching.